Good stuff.
Can't get no better. I'm getting money, my life can't get no better. Money, my life can't get no better. Can't get no better. I'm getting money, my life can't get no better. Money, my life can't get no better.
Oh my God. What's up, drivers and subscribers? It's your boy, just another trucker, coming back with another video. And today, as you can see, it is snowing in Memphis, Tennessee, and I cannot drop off my load. This is crazy. I'm supposed to go home. I took a 34-hour reset in Nashville, right? Got my hours back, drove all the way to Memphis just to find out that the customer was closed. So I'm like, man, what? I was supposed to go home today. I can't go home. I was supposed to go home yesterday. That was Sunday. I was supposed to go home on Valentine's Day. And if the weather is not good tomorrow, then I'm gonna have to wait till Wednesday. If it's not good Wednesday, I'm gonna have to wait till Thursday, you know what I'm saying? It's just crazy, man. People just parking any kind of way. I guess in Memphis, they don't have many snow plows, so like you can't see the road at all. You can't see the lanes, none of that. I had to fight through the snow just to get here. And then I had to park on the side of the road. There's no parking spots at this Flying J. None of that. I had to help somebody push their car out of the snow. It's crazy, bro. But look, then I tried to get a Subway sandwich from the store. I wanted a meatball marinara sandwich. They don't got no meatballs. I can't get the meatball marinara sandwich. So we all shut down. The roads closed and all that. And it's like 17 degrees. It's freezing cold out here, man. Yeah. So I'll try to vlog more if I can.